Here it is again. Pretty nasty looking over there. There's some more red sky for you. It's even clear sky. I love it. That's how it's called, clear sky, but I think it's gonna last as long as this red sky. It's red everywhere. Yeah, it's just tearing up there. And those tarps aren't loud or anything too, so it's easy to sleep. So yeah, it's 6:45, and it's windy in here, but it's even windier than a cocksucker all night. Since about like 1 or 2, it's been super windy like this. And from about 1 to 4, it rained real hard. But it's starting to get windy, like your whole tent shakes. And like at points, I thought my fly had been off. It's been windy for like that bad. And it's been real windy. It's gonna be a real bad storm today, I bet. Well, maybe it'll do it. But yeah, I have my pants hanging up. Like it scared the shit out of me last night. So, I think I kind of see my tent shaking. But it's real bad. So maybe I get some better tent shaking footage. Here we go. If you can tell how loud it is, but it's loud. And it's too early in the morning for me. Too early in the morning to work with earplugs. I can't get mine to work. So I guess I'm just gonna have to try to tough it out for the next like hour or so. Good night.